Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So you must have seen this type of filter is going viral in Instagram, but for most of the user, restyle option is missing in Instagram stories. So in this video, I will show you a working way how you can use this filter in Instagram itself. So this is 100% working trick. I will show you in my mobile screen. So if I will go to my story and if I will select any photo here, this one, you can see the restyle option is missing. So how to do that? I will go to Instagram message. You have to upload the picture here in which you want to use a focus filter. Press and hold on it. You will see the restyle option here, which was missing in Instagram story. So here you have to scroll and you can see flash. You need to click on this one. So I have already tried multiple times today, so the limit I have reached, but in this way you can use it. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.